This is my phase 1 certificate. Seeing this certificate, you already know I passed phase 1. And guys, it states here that Certificate of Appreciation proudly presented to Enoch Odelola, officially a Funded elite trader. The date it was issued and the signature of the CEO of Funded. Guys, this is episode 4 and I'm going to show you in this episode that particular trade that made me pass phase 1. Let's get straight to the chart. This was the trade on GBP USD. The same system I use, W pattern on support level and trend line. 45 minutes later, the trade went back into drawdown and I was running in loss. This trade then reversed back to profit after hours of waiting and waiting. One thing I learned again here is you have to wait patiently for your trades to play out, even if the outcome is going to be a profit or a loss. And once my profit got to 1-to-1 risk to reward, I secured my position by breaking even. Immediately I hit my profit target, I closed this trade. This is my account overview. The initial balance is $6,000 and the account type is a 2-step challenge. As soon as I get the login for phase 2, I'll start trading the phase 2 challenge as well. I have acquired over $489 as my profit on this challenge, and that is 8.16%. I used a total of 11 trading days to acquire this result, and it says congratulations, phase 1 is now complete. So if I should click the next phase, I'll get the login of phase 2 like I said. So they are still showing me like I used a minimum of 11 trading days and I have passed the profit target. Yeah guys, trading overview. The profitability, the green side is more than the red side obviously, and I have an average winning trade of $77, average losing trade of $31, and I took a total of 18 trades using 5.06 lot size. Wow, my average risk to reward is even 1 to 2.45. My win rate is 55.56%. That's good. My profit factor is 3.06. The best trade is $184.14 and my worst trade is 61.50. That's fair enough. The long one is far above than the short one. In that sense, whenever I buy, I always win more than whenever I sell. And my gross profit is far above my gross loss. I placed more buy trade than the sell trade, and this is because the market is on an uptrend. On seeing this W pattern, I started my phase 2 journey and I'm going to be targeting 1 to 3 risk to reward on this trade. Mind you guys, there is a news that is going to be dropping very soon and it's an high impact news to be precise. It will be released in 3, 2, 1, go. Currently, like I expected, there's no move at all, there's no effect. Okay, a weak rejection, there's no effect at the moment. It's selling and I'm buying, but let's just watch out. Whoa, damn, that spike right there, that's a spark right there. Damn, it keeps buying, it keeps buying, it keeps buying. All right, at this point I need to break even because any reversal rather can happen, so I have to break even at this point. It's still buying. My take profit can get triggered at any point now. It's still buying. Okay, it's good for us. That's a good one. Cheers to this profit. So at this point I had to quickly set my take profit, and I don't want something that I'm not going to be in the chart and hit my take profit and later reverse, and I'm setting my break even as well. And let's see how this is going to run, but I believe it's pumping. It's a good one. Take profit got triggered close to 3% in this account. That's a good one for today. This is the last day of the trading week, Friday, and I remain flat. No setup, no trade, simply because the market is consolidating, so I had to stay out. Guys, we draw the curtain for episode 4 here and we wait as episode 5 unveil. Do not forget, the purpose of this documentary is actually to show that process or the back end till I get funded and get multiple payouts. I'm going to be sharing everything with you. If you love this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and also drop the comments, subscribe as well. See you guys on episode 5. Bye guys.